More than 1,900 Marylanders tested positive for the coronavirus in the last 24 hours here in Maryland. 46 more people are in the hospital. 28 more have died. But the positivity rate did dip slightly. Hello, I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Max McGee.
Well, with those numbers still rising, Baltimore's mayor is warning against large New Year's Eve gatherings. And also, restaurant owners in Anne Arundel County, they're in court today fighting to remain open.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at City Hall with the latest. Mike, what can you tell us?
Max, Denise, restaurateurs in Anne Arundel County have been pleading with a circuit court judge to permanently stop a dining ban there. There's been testimony throughout the day. Here at City Hall, the mayor remains concerned about a rise in case numbers. However, there was some encouraging news.
We are nowhere near out of the woods.
Baltimore's mayor urged people not to hold large New Year's Eve celebrations with the coronavirus still a major threat.
It is imperative that we continue to do everything we can to slow the spread of COVID-19, to keep our community safe, and so that we can start fresh in 2021.
The city is averaging 4 deaths a day, but there is good news. The average number of new cases is down 23% compared to 4 weeks ago.
These are encouraging numbers, but they're nothing to celebrate. We still have too far many people contracting the virus and spreading it and dying from it in our city.
The mayor said restaurants must still remain closed for indoor and outdoor dining. A judge refused to halt his order after restaurants filed suit. In Anne Arundel County, restaurants are still battling in court to stay open, with a judge hearing testimony after temporarily stopping a dining ban there.
If the worst scenarios come true, we're in real trouble in our hospitals, and that restaurant closures impact that a lot.
Right now, Baltimore's health commissioner is closely monitoring the numbers to see whether the holidays will lead to another surge.
This is not the week to throw away months' worth of COVID-19 harm reduction guidance. Please continue to avoid social gatherings, wear your mask, wash your hands, and practice social distancing.
Almost 1,000 people in Maryland have been vaccinated, healthcare workers and nursing home patients. Some of the latest are at GBMC, where 200 frontline workers were just inoculated with the Moderna vaccine.
I can't imagine why anybody would not want to get vaccinated. I lined up to be first this morning, so I'm excited.
Now, hospitals in Baltimore City remain above 80% capacity right now, and I asked the health commissioner whether if we do see a surge, when it would happen, and she says within 5 to 10 days. Reporting live at City Hall, Mike Helgren, WJZ.
All right, thank you, Mike. Sobering. Well, Maryland-based company Novavax says they will start the phase 3 trial of their COVID-19 vaccine in the U.S. and Mexico. Novavax is the 5th company to launch a large-scale trial of a coronavirus vaccine in the U.S. Now, the trial will evaluate, of course, safety, efficacy, and immune response in up to 30,000 adults. The trial is being funded with up to $1.6 billion from Operation Warp Speed. Novavax is already conducting a phase 3 clinical study in the United Kingdom.